Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Pepe update. Today it does look like Pepe is still doing quite amazing, and we are about to make a nice good continuation of the bull cross right over there. We ended up breaking above, coming down, going up a little bit, and as I said before, the downtrend has been broken and you've actually maintained higher highs and higher lows as well. And this at the moment is actually creating what? It's creating an uptrend. So the uptrend is going on pretty well. And one more thing is that we're still having Pepe right at that trend line. Okay, we still have this trend line that is being maintained at the moment. Now Bitcoin, on the other hand, I've spoken about Bitcoin and it looks pretty damn good at the moment. And also, if we get to see Pepe here, we might start to see Pepe trying to push up to 8142. Now, one thing in particular that has come to my attention, and I'm going to kind of remove the drawing. Let's actually make it very clear and straightforward. And also comment Discord on the comment section if you want to be a part of Discord and get some free signals as well. So I'm gonna take the trend line, drop the trend line, and put the trend line like this, because I think that we are about to make this left shoulder head the right shoulder, and inverse hidden shoulder is appearing as well. And if we break above it, then we could actually look at Pepe coming up to 8793 in the future. So very soon enough, of course, we do have the trend line that is going on. So I'm actually going to tell you the maximum time that we might actually see the pop, which is 15 of September. Today is actually 11, and we're going to see up until 15 the crawl to the upside. And expectation is you break above and you actually move to that technical target. That's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.